In today's technology-driven era, companies face a common challenge. How can they build responsive, high-growth businesses while optimizing cost and customer service? This is where robotic process automation, or RPA, can deliver substantial benefits. Constant technological advancement has paved the way for robotic process automation to transform industries around the globe. The benefits achieved through successful RPA projects are enormous and widespread across organizations. Decreased cost, greater performance, improved customer experience, and significant ROI are all being achieved through the successful implementation of RPA projects. At Reveal Group, we specialize in robotic process automation. Robotic process automation uses software robots to automate repetitive, rules-based business tasks. RPA does not require any back-end IT integration. Instead, it automates tasks by using the graphical user interface of an application in the same way a user would. Just as a human would, a software robot can access, read, and write data across many different business systems. As a simple example, Reveal Group recently automated the process of replacing payments for one of our clients. To perform this process, employees work across two systems to retrieve a request from a workflow application. They then process the transaction using a mainframe system before adding a note and finalizing the request. Here is the RPA robot performing the process of replacing payments alongside a human performing the same process. The automated process is displayed in real time, while the human process is sped up by a factor of 6. This speed increase is what would be required of a human employee in order to match a robot's speed. On average, 350 replace payment requests arrive each day, and each request takes 180 seconds to complete. Currently, this process requires 3 FTEs worth of effort, and 85% of requests meet the 48-hour SLA. Following automation, requests are completed in just 30 seconds as they are processed by a robot. The robotic process also ensures 100% of requests are completed within a 1-hour SLA, with most completed within a few minutes. These benefits can be achieved in a matter of weeks. Firstly, workshops are conducted to identify process candidates for automation. Prerequisites include processes which have, or could have, digital and standardized inputs and outputs, and processes that are rules-based without requiring subjective judgment. Processes are then prioritized. Good candidate processes include those performed by many FTEs, using multiple systems with low volatility. Processes with low complexity in terms of number of steps and systems, and processes that have tight SLAs or long turnaround times that automation can improve. Once the processes have been chosen, an automation project is carried out over 5 delivery phases. During an implementation, Reveal Group can build the capability of your team. During the define and design phases, the RPA team collaborates with subject matter experts to understand and document the selected processes at a keystroke level. Information is recorded on which systems are used, which data is required, which fields to populate, and which buttons to click. A high-level automation solution is then designed so that configuration can begin. Over the configuration stage, keystroke-level information combined with established business rules are used to configure the process for the robots to run. During the testing phase, thorough testing of the process is conducted to ensure the automation performs exactly as required. In the deployment phase of the project, the automation is deployed into a live production environment where it performs the end-to-end process as it was configured. Once deployed, the automated process can be performed anywhere, anytime. Performance is monitored by a control room operator who manages the virtual workforce and dynamically responds to changes in workloads and backlogs to meet SLAs. Robotic process automation has been proven to work effectively and deliver efficiencies across a breadth of industries and processes. Examples of processes that have had full or partial automation applied include functions in finance and human resources, client onboarding, client maintenance, reporting, marketing, as well as many others. Reveal Group can work with you to successfully introduce and institutionalize RPA into your business to reach new levels of operational excellence.